To install SIM card in Samsung A14, first look at the top left hand side of your phone. This is the outline and hole for our SIM card tray. You will need the SIM ejector tool for Samsung and insert the thin end of the tool into that hole and push it all the way down to partially open a tray. Then use your nail to push out the tray. If you use another SIM ejector tool, it may not open a tray enough. So this is the SD card slot, and we have two SIM card slots. So we're going to match the ridge of the SIM card slot with the ridge of the SIM card itself, and it should push into place. If not, you put the SIM card in the wrong way, or the SIM card tray is in the wrong rotation. So once it's in place, we're just going to carefully put the SIM card tray back in, making sure the hole on the phone is the same area as the hole in the tray. And just wiggle it back in, rub it with your finger, make sure it's nice and flush, and we're done.